What is the meaning of IGMS? IGMS stands for Integrated Grievance Management System. See, each insurer is supposed to have a IGMS. IGMS means a full-fledged system as how the grievances of customers can be addressed. So first of all, insurance company should have its own portal where complaints or grievances can be settled. Company should have one grievance officer at head office, then next cadre of officer at each branch or divisional office where customer can come and register the complaint. So this is the first system. Company should have a portal where complaints can be registered. If that is not heard, it should be automatically escalated to next level. And there is a system that if company does not solve your problem and do not understand or give you proper solution, you can go to IRDA portal also. You can inform or give grievance to ministry also. Then there is a system of ombudsman. All individual policy holders can register their grievances against insurance company with ombudsman. Ombudsman office address is given in your policies. So this is one more mechanism. Ombudsman is total ombudsmen are 17 in number and mostly situated in state capitals. So this is the forum. Insured can take advantage, no fees, and system is quite easy. Just drop a letter along with your complaint and documents in support of your complaint, and within 3 months your grievances can be settled. There is one more grievance system where you can lodge your claim or dispute with consumer forum also. Now district forum is having power up to 1 crore. You can go to state forum where 10 crore probably is the new limit, and beyond 10 crore you can approach to National Consumer Forum. So this way IGMS against insurance company is very strong. Various forums are there, and lastly there is a civil court also. So many things are there. Insurance company nowadays is giving you opportunity to discuss, opportunity to file complaints, and of course they are improving the situation. Claims are being settled quite easy with insurance company, but of course they are also not to be blamed because so many frauds are there, inflated claims are being registered. So insurance company is supposed to check those fraudulent claims also. This is the reason that sometimes they do take time to settle the claims. So for more information, because insurance is a very complex subject, you can contact Mohan Vatnani at @gmail.com, who is having more than 4 decades of experience. Thank you very much.